Hello students, welcome to Mr. Lee Technology Channel. In this lesson, we'll teach you the research skill for technology projects. In this section, we will explore why research is essential, how to conduct effective research, and how to apply findings to your projects. Whether you are working on a mobile phone holder or a water tower design, these research strategies will help you think critically and make informed design decisions. And let's get started. Before we dive into the research process, let's discuss why research is important in the technology projects. Because research helps us in three key ways. First, understanding needs. It allows us to identify the needs and problems that our design must solve. Exploring possibilities. Research opens up different design opportunities by studying existing solutions. Last but not least, improving products. The more we know, the better our final product will be. By conducting thorough research, we can make smarter design choice by lead to better result. Identifying the problem. The first step in research is identifying the problem you are trying to solve. Let's look at two examples from your assessment task. For year A, you will be doing the mobile phone holder. For year 7, you will be doing the water tower project. So for the mobile phone holder, what do users need from a phone holder? What are the constraints, such as size, materials, and manufacturing methods? Well, for water tower, how should the structure be designed? What factors impact strength and stability? A well-defined problem is the foundation of good research. Once we have identified the problem, we break down the research process into four key questions. First, who is the user? Identify your target audience. Who will use the product? What problem does it solve? Define the purpose of your design. What are the constraints? Consider factors such as material availability, size, and production methods. What existing designs exist? Study market, research to see what's already out there. By answering these questions, we created a strong research foundation for our project. Finding reliable source. Now that we know what to research, the next step is finding reliable information. There are three key resources to consider. First, websites. Online resources provide valuable data, but make sure they are credible and avoid blogs and opinion-based sites without verifying the information. Books and journals. Academic resources and industry publications provide in-depth knowledge, or from existing products. Studying real-world designs help us understand how similar products function. Always evaluate source carefully to ensure accuracy and reliability. PMI analysis, and this is about the research of existing products. P stands for positive, M stands for minus, and I stands for interesting. So once you have gathered research, we need to analyze it. And one useful tool is this PMI analysis. It helps us critically evaluate the design ideas. So for positive, what are the good aspects of the design? For minus, what are the weaknesses or limitations? And interesting will be the unique features that stand out. By breaking down designs in this way, we can better understand what works and what doesn't. Organizing your research. So good research is only useful if it's well organized. And here are three ways to keep your research structured. To create a research document, you may use Google Doc or Google Sites or any other tool to store all your findings. And you will take the structured notes by categorizing information for easy comparison. And you use diagram and sketches. This will visually represent all the complex idea and help to clarify them. So, a well-organized research process makes it easier to apply what you have learned. Developing design ideas. Now that we have conducted and organized our research, it's time to develop design ideas, and this involves these three steps. First, sketch initial ideas. Create rough sketches of potential designs. We have to add annotations, label all the key features, and explain your design choices. To refine your best idea by using research insights to improve and finalize your design. Research should guide our design decisions, ensuring that our final concept is both functional and well informed. Here are some of the examples. First, let's look at the mobile holder. You may start with some initial sketch, a very basic design with a few features that are labeled. And then you're going to improve it by refine your design. So here may come for a very few different versions, and they are all based on the research findings. For the water tower, your initial concept may be just a very basic water tower designs with just the structure take into consideration. But your refined designs should be the improved design that highlighting the key structure elements. Common mistake that you would like to avoid. So when conducting research, avoid these four common mistakes. First, use unreliable source. You have to always verify information before using it. Anything appear in the internet could be wrong or could be right. Ignoring user needs. You got to keep your target audience in mind at all times. You may sometimes just be too out of the box and design something that actually not for the users need. Skipping the analysis. Don't just collect information. Evaluate critically. That means that you are not just copy and paste any information that you found, but you have to relook in it and start thinking. Last but not least, not organizing information. Keep research structured so that you can reference it easily. And that would actually cultivate a good habit of how to categorize all your informations so that it allows you to recheck and reference it later on. But avoiding these mistakes will make your research process more effectively. To summarize, here are four best research practices to follow. Gathering information, use credible resources to collect data, organize research, keep information structured and accessible, evaluate information critically to avoid mistakes, and to use research to refine and improve your design. So that brings us to the end of this lesson on research skill for the technology projects. Research is the foundation of great design. By identifying problems, gathering and analyzing information, and applying insights to your designs, you can create more effective and innovative solutions. Take what you have learned today and apply it to your mobile phone holder or your water tower project. Thank you for watching. Happy researching and make technology great again.